Welcome to LawTube. In today's LawTube, I am letting you know more about Republic TV's hate speech case. The Supreme Court of India on Friday granted 3-week protection from arrest to Arnab Goswami, editor-in-chief and anchor of the Republic TV in hate speech case. Setting aside Republic TV editor-in-chief and anchor Arnab Goswami's plea that all hate speech cases against him be quashed, the Supreme Court on Friday allowed the Maharashtra police to proceed with investigation into one of the FIR filed, but stayed the other FIRs filed against him in 6 states of Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Telangana, and Jammu and Kashmir. A bench comprising Justice D.Y. Chandrachud and M.R. Shah heard through video conferencing on Thursday, asking for an ex parte stay on all the FIR against him, has ordered that no coercive action be taken against him, and the court intends to protect the petitioner for a period of 3 weeks from today and permit him to move anticipatory bail application before the trial court. The FIRs had been filed across 5 states by members of the Congress after Goswami went on a tirade against party president Sonia Gandhi for maintaining a deliberate silence on the Palghar lynching. The FIRs were filed in Maharashtra, Telangana, Chhattisgarh, and Madhya Pradesh and the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. The Nagpur FIR will be moved to Mumbai, where Goswami lives, for investigation, the court added. Senior advocate and former Attorney General Mukesh Rastogi appeared for Goswami. Senior advocate and Congress leader Kapil Sibal, appearing for the state of Maharashtra, argued that the FIR could be clubbed but not quashed, as an investigation was required. Advocate Manish Singhvi, appearing for Rajasthan, said a prima facie case had been made out. There can be consolidation of cases, but investigation cannot be stopped. He agreed with Sibal. On 21 April 2020, Goswami on his Republic TV live show launched an attack on Congress President Sonia Gandhi for deliberately maintaining silence on the matter because she hailed from Italy. In India, being a Hindu and wearing the orange color has become a sin. I asked that if a Maulvi had been killed, would people be silent? Would Sonia Gandhi, who hails from Italy, be quiet? Today she is silent. I think she is happy in her that saints are being attacked in the state where she has formed the government. She will send a report to Italy saying that where I formed government, I am getting saint killed, he stated. He alleged that she would not have remained silent had they been Muslim preacher or Christian saint killed. Several Congress leaders, including Rajasthan Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot, Chhattisgarh Chief Minister Bhupesh Baghel, and Punjab Chief Minister Amarendra Singh, accused Goswami of trying to incite communal violence through hate speech. Congress spokesperson Pawan Khera said Goswami is in urgent need of treatment. He is not well. Maharashtra Energy Minister and Congress leader Nitin Rawat filed an FIR in Nagpur accusing Goswami of inciting communal violence by delivering a hate speech, a cognizable offence under Indian Penal Code. Yet another FIR was filed while in Maharashtra state by the State Youth Congress President Satyajit Tambe, and he instructed all the district presidents to file complaint against Goswami's controversial comment in all districts of the state. Senior advocate and former Attorney General Mukul Rastogi appeared for Goswami. Senior advocate and Congress leader Kapil Sibal, appearing for the state of Maharashtra, argued that the FIR could be clubbed but not quashed, as an investigation was required. Advocate Manish Singhvi, appearing for Rajasthan, said the prima facie case has been made out. There can be consolidation of the case, but investigation cannot be stopped. He agreed with Sibal. But in the hearing, Rastogi said it was settled law that if defamation is alleged, as in the instant case, Congress complaints have charged Goswami with defaming Sonia Gandhi. It was only the defamed person who had the right to file a case and not others on her behalf.